Dzień dobry, good afternoon everyone. So today we are in the area of Central Business District in Poznan because we've got so many things to do. I have to meet the lawyer and I have to meet the tax office lady if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's the agenda. So many things that I have to sort out regarding to the paperwork, documents about Damian's company and everything. Because obviously that today's Damian is busy. He is going somewhere, I think in the area of close by Berlin. So he traveled actually in the afternoon, early afternoon today. So I have to sort out so many paperworks and taxation also. So yeah, we go here and then I still have I just finished meeting with all those important people. I said important people regarding to my husband company. So I'm done. Now it's time to stroll around in the area of the Central Business District in Poznan, and so many things happening currently in this area, and so many important business conference that is happening here. So yeah, I will stroll around to show you how it is. It's Avenida Poznan and also Poznan Główny, which means the train station, the bigger train station in Poznan. And here is the intersection. Going to there is the Mercure, Sheraton, and then Baltic Business Center. So basically this area is the Central Business District in Poznan, and right behind me is the Centrum Targowe, which means like the building for the, what is it called, many kind of business. And what I see is nowadays, even the police are everywhere because of the important conference that happening in Poznan Centrum. So yeah, let's see. In front of me in Centrum Targowe means like World Trade Center, something like that in Poznan. And look at this mural art, so cute, isn't it? And there, I think nowadays there is a Impact 24, which is a very important of conferences, business conferences. As you see that this district is a business central district. So yeah, so many things happening. In front of me is Dworzec Zachodny, which means the train station. And you see that on the left there are so many police officers because I think that today Michelle Obama is coming to Poznan to give a very important talk. As you see, so many business people are here. A big city life. In front of me is a Poznan Business Center. You see so many office building. I think that's the old one, and also in front of me is the old apartment, and that's also old apartment. So this is actually obviously it's not a tourist spot, but yeah, at least that I show you how it is like living in Poland, especially in Poznan area. In my vlog, I'm not only showing you the tourist spot, but I showing you that how it is like living in Poland, going everywhere, just like in front of me. I think that's the old building during communism era, but still keep it. And I think that's the old apartment as well. So what I see here is that there are so many old building and brand new building in this area. But let's see, is there any park that is close by? We were there before in the Central Business District. So what I really like about living here in Poznan is that walking few meters and it's already park. So in front of me is the park. Let's see what's the name of the park. But yeah, let's explore. See? Around me, high rise tall building, but in the middle must be beautiful park. Aha, so this is the information about the name of the park TW Wilsona. This one is Wilsona Park, so it means it's close by the Palmiernia. go. Look at this beautiful park. Birds, ducks, and fountain in the middle. This is actually really nice. There, over there, very high-rise tall building. It's not high-rise, like 4 or 5-story building. And in the middle is a very beautiful park, and must be some statue. Let's get closer. Let's see who's this gentleman. Thomas Woodrow Wilson. Oh, American president, 1912-1920. So let's see. Oh, this is the information of the trees, basically. This is what I like about the park in Poland. They really maintaining the trees. They don't cut down the trees and keep it green nature like this. Awesome. So everybody can enjoy that. This is what I really like living here. Walking few meters and already city park, and people seems like enjoying their time in the park. Very nice. Look at this. Amazing. You still remember this park? So that's in front of me is the Palmiernia, which is a palm house, and I'll show you that surround. I really like this park. Green, and yeah, many people having a time here in the park, sunbathing. Very nice. Let's go there. That seems like the children playground there. It is a very nice and clean park. Very nice. Look at these trees. And that's the children playground. It's nice. So what I can say then, it is a very family friendly park. Nice. Look at this beautiful clear sky, sunshine, green park. Amazing. So I think that I need to go to one coffee shop. I feel like I want to have a coffee. Yeah, seems like there is no a bike cafe here. So yeah, let's find one coffee shop that is close by here. So nice, isn't it? Everywhere you go is always green park. Nice and clean. Nice breeze. What a beautiful park, isn't it? And look at the color of the water. It's just like clean. And then, you know, when the sun go through, it's very nice. Wow. So here is the birds, the kind of birds that live here. Very nice. Kachka duck. Very nice. Oh, that's so lovely. School of birds, see? Ooh. Nice. I just wonder that is there any fish? Oh yes, many school of fish. Can you see that? It's like a koi fish. Very nice. Oh. I come back again to the big main street. You remember this old building, and that's old apartment, and I found one jungle cafe here. Let's go. Decided to have a hot cappuccino, and here I paid 23 zloty. Hot cappuccino and also cinnamon. I really like it. And look at this cafe surround, seems like busy, and everything is just like inside the green tropical jungle. Very nice. Look at the mural art here on the stairs. It's so cute. It's very insta work. Nice. I really like the concept of this cafe. So many nice art thing and green everywhere. And this one is the cake cafe. So one thing is that I found like in Poznan there are so many insta-worthy cafe, just like this one that I visit, and this place is busy. Quite many people visiting. So yeah, you know, like insta-worthy places will be many young people visiting. I think that's all my video today, guys. It's time to go home. Thanks for watching and really like this beautiful mural.